So the extension is called Announcify, and once you install it, it shows up. It looks like that in the top right of your screen. What this does, it simplifies websites and reads them. So just for fun, I chose one of the top stories on the BBC. I would then click the Announcify icon, and it's going to take a minute to kind of load as it strips the website of unnecessary distractions and begins to
You're
read.
now listening to U.S. Election, Donald Trump accusers telling lies, says Melania, BBC News. Melania Trump has insisted that her husband is a gentleman and that the women who allege that he sexually assaulted them are lying. She also said that lewd comments Donald Trump made about women that were caught on videotape were unacceptable but did not represent the man she knows.
So, who is the man she knows? We'll see. So, it's possible with this to kind of click on different sections of the actual text. As you can see, it kind of highlights some bits that are being read. There's no ads, there's no junk, there's no distractions at all. This is really good for students who are having trouble focusing on their reading, as well as perhaps EAL students or others. It just really simplifies things.